Alrighty, don't know if you caught my short or not, but here is the new spinning wheel we just built. We as in me. It's being given as a gift to a homeschool friend who wants to get into some spinning. So, oh, come on now. A little bit of assistance. Catch the rhythm. So, 8-to-1 ratio. You got your big wheel down here. Let's start at the bottom of the business. So, pedal. Oh, come on now. Don't want to send it in reverse. So 8-to-1 ratio between the big wheel down here and the small wheel up here. About 30-degree offsets. Very easy wheel to make. That is loading twine from the Lowe's or Home Depot. Use my soldering iron to put it together. Got a little bit of slack in it so that way everything moves freely. I did put straight up bearings in there, and so it's pretty satisfying just to sit here and not even spin anything and just make this thing motor catch a nice little rhythm, rocking and rolling. So if I'm not videoing, I promise you I can do a whole lot better job. So your yarn goes here on the end. If you come off the end with it at about a 45-degree angle, you're able to twist up your stock. Once you're ready to go ahead and spool it up, you bring it over here, shoot it at a 45-degree angle, load it up, and then you're coming back here to twist it. Once you're twisted up good, just change your angle, and it changes the function of how you're drawing it up on your spindle there. Let's give this a go again. Enjoy. Have a good one. Go do good things.